Did you know that every day around 3 billion people log into Facebook? It's as if almost 40% of the world's population checks Facebook daily. This is no small feat. But what's more amazing is that accessing Facebook is completely free. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover how Facebook decides what you see, how they make money, and most importantly, how you can make money using it. I have personally used one of the methods I will share with you, which allowed me to sell multiple products online and make six-figure sales in one of the stores. You can use timestamps to skip to specific sections, but I highly recommend watching the video from beginning to end, as I'm sure you'll learn something new in each chapter.
What is the Facebook exactly?
It's an online directory that connects people through universities and colleges through their social networks there. When we first launched, we were hoping for, maybe 400, 500 people.
If you're building a product that people love, you can make a lot of mistakes.
Before we jump into the hot questions, let me share a brief but very interesting story of the website. Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg and his college roommates in 2004 as the Facebook, initially for Harvard students. It quickly spread to other universities and then opened to anyone aged 13 and over. By 2006, Facebook had opened its doors to the general public, allowing anyone with an email address to join. The platform introduced features like the news feed, which aggregated updates from friends, and the like button, which allowed users to express their approval of posts. In May 2012, Facebook went public with its initial public offering, IPO, raising $16 billion and becoming one of the largest IPOs in tech history. This milestone solidified Facebook's position as a major player in the tech industry and provided the company with the capital to expand its services and acquire other companies, such as Instagram and WhatsApp. As of today, all these companies belong to Meta, the parent company that was rebranded from Facebook Inc. in October 2021. This rebranding reflects the company's broader ambitions in virtual and augmented reality through the development of the metaverse. Before we go further, let's explore a crucial aspect of Facebook, its algorithm. The Facebook algorithm determines what content appears in your newsfeed based on several factors, but here are the 5 key factors that decide what you see. Engagement. Posts with more likes, comments, and shares are more likely to be shown. Relevance. The algorithm analyzes your interests and previous interactions to prioritize content that you are likely to engage with. Timeliness. Recent posts are given more weight, ensuring you see fresh content. Relationships. Content from friends and family members is prioritized over posts from brands and pages. Predicted time spent. Facebook's algorithm estimates how much time you'll spend on a piece of content and may prioritize content that will keep you engaged longer. The algorithm constantly evolves to improve user experience, aiming to show you the most relevant and engaging content. And if you're finding this video valuable, then remember to subscribe to our channel. We have some exciting content planned for the future that you're sure to enjoy. Facebook is one of the most popular and profitable social media platforms. Its revenue primarily comes from 1. Advertising. Over 97% of Facebook's revenue comes from advertising. Advertisers target users based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, using various ad formats, including video, carousel, and sponsored posts. Facebook collects data from every like, comment, and share. It uses this data to show users relevant ads, making advertisers willing to pay more. This targeted advertising is incredibly effective and is the backbone of Facebook's revenue model. 2. Virtual reality. Through its subsidiary Oculus, Facebook earns revenue from VR headsets and related software. 3. Payments and other fees. Facebook generates income from in-app purchases and services like Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Pay. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, reported over $134 billion in revenue and a $39 billion net profit last year. However, Meta does not break down revenue by individual platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. It is widely understood that Facebook contributes the largest portion of the Meta advertising revenue due to its massive user base and established presence in digital advertising. Now let me share with you what I believe are the best 3 ways to make money using Facebook. The first method I want to share is Facebook Ads Management. Facebook Ads Management involves creating and optimizing ads on Facebook to promote products or services. You can use these ads to drive traffic to your own e-commerce store, or you can offer ad management services to other businesses. Facebook generates most of its revenue through ads because they've built the best ad tool in the world for scalability. Once the algorithm understands your audience and gathers purchase data, you can use advanced techniques like retargeting or lookalike audiences. The potential to make money is significant. By selling your products, you can earn from a few hundred to thousands of dollars. If you offer ad management as a service, you could make a few hundred to $1,000 per client project for 1 week to 1 month of management. However, this isn't an easy skill to master. I've invested well into 5 figures learning it, and some professionals manage 6-figure budgets. It's a skill set that beginners can learn, but has enough depth to take years to master. If you're interested, be sure to watch my video on how to start an e-commerce business. The second method to make money using Facebook is through Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is an online shopping platform where you can buy and sell new and used items locally or nationwide. You can list a variety of items from furniture and electronics to clothing and vehicles. Facebook Marketplace has a large user base, which increases the chances of selling your items quickly. It's integrated into the Facebook app, user-friendly, and free to use, allowing you to reach a broad audience without extra costs. The earning potential on Facebook Marketplace varies depending on what you're selling. With consistent effort and good quality items, making $100 to $1,000 a month is quite achievable. One example that caught my attention was of Leonardo, who made $66,000 in 1 year by selling items that others considered trash, such as furniture and clothing that people had discarded but were in good condition. This shows how people are using this to make money. The third method is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can share these links in your Facebook posts, groups, pages, or ads to earn money when people make purchases. Affiliate marketing is effective because it requires minimal upfront investment, and you don't have to manage inventory or customer service. It leverages Facebook's vast user base to reach potential buyers and monetize your content. The earning potential in affiliate marketing can be significant. More advanced affiliates can earn around $300 per day. While it takes time to master, the rewards can be substantial if you put in the effort. Affiliates can earn a commission of 10 to 50% on each payment made by customers. As a beginner, you may not make a sale, but once you have some experience, you can make up to $1,000 per month. Obviously, as you gain more experience, these numbers will increase. Out of these 3 methods, I have a personal preference for Facebook Ads Management, mainly because I've seen its actual results and potential. But as you can see, there are multiple ways to make money using Facebook as a beginner. The key is to choose one method, take action, and practice consistently to start seeing results. Before we wrap up, it's important to acknowledge that Facebook has faced significant controversies and challenges in recent years. Just recently, TikTok, Meta, and Snap CEOs testified at a Senate hearing focused on child safety online. The hearing examined how these platforms handle issues like data privacy, misinformation, and the impact of social media on young users. This high-profile event highlighted ongoing debates about the role of tech companies in ensuring user safety and responsible content management. Despite these controversies, Facebook remains a powerful tool for making money and growing a business. It's crucial to stay informed about these issues, as they can impact the way platforms operate and the opportunities they offer. And that's it for today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on tech, entrepreneurship, and online money making. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other video on creating AI influencers for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.